Hi guys, this is Ravikran. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am at the Triumph dealership, and we have all new Triumph Trident 660 which has launched today. And in this video I am going to tell you about the main features what this bike is offering, and also I am going to tell you the on-road price as well as exhaust note. So do watch the video till the end. If you are new to my channel or else watching my videos for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will never miss my updates when I upload a video. So without getting late, let's start it. This is the all new Triumph Trident 660 inline 3-cylinder engine. The bike actually looks very nice. It's small, compact and very comfortable, as you can see. And coming to the looks department, this bike actually scores full marks. And before starting up with the main features, let me tell you about the engine figures. So basically this bike has 660cc engine. This is a 3-cylinder engine, as you can see. So 3 exhaust pipes are coming out from the engine, and these are merged into one. So this is 3-in-1 exhaust system, and you got liquid cooling system. And let me tell you the power figures. So this bike has 81 PS power and 64 Nm torque, which is really nice for this compact Triumph Trident. So these are just the basic figures. As we all know, this is a 3-cylinder engine, so each and every cylinder has 4 valves. So this has total 12 valves. And now let me tell you about the main features. So coming to the features wise, on the front section you can see all LED headlamp. Let me turn it on. So this is the LED main headlamp, and you got LED turn signals and 41mm ups and down Showa forks, which are SFF separate functions. Coming to the bottom section, you can see dual channel ABS. So this bike has 2 piston calipers on the front and single piston caliper at the rear. And the calipers given on this vehicle are from Nissin. So this has Nissin calipers. And coming to the wheel section, so these are Michelin tires, 120 section on the front and 180 section at the rear. So the tires are actually big. So this actually gives you a good amount of road stability. And let me show you the side part. So basically this bike has 40 liters of fuel tank, which is quite enough to take in city, as well as you can also do for long rides. And you have underbelly exhaust and single piston Nissin caliper at the back, 180 section at the rear. And this is a tire hugger and license plate holder as well as indicators. So these 3 things are integrated into one. Also let me show you the tail lamp. So this is a tail lamp. And basically this bike has totally 4 colors. So this color silver with red gives you red color accent below the seat. And let me show you the tail light as well. So this is a rear tail lamp, how it looks like. I will show you the hazard lights. So let me click the hazard lights, and these are the hazard lights. Looks very good. And coming to the side profile, you got 6-speed transmission, and this bike has assistant slipper clutch. And now the main interesting thing, it's a speedometer. The speedometer has different functionalities. Basically I'll tell you each and every one. So this is an RPM meter, speedometer, gear indicator and service reminders. And on the TFT screen you can see this is a trip meter, fuel gauge, trip A, trip B. And if you want to toggle between the information switches, you can use these buttons. In order to toggle between the information, you need to click the buttons from here. So this is trip 1, trip 2, and if you click the down button, and it will go to fuel status, and now engine temperature and service interval and brightness illumination. The illumination of the display can be adjusted, and gear indicator, time and main menu. And also you can change between the riding modes. There are 2 riding modes in this, rain mode and road mode. And let me click it once. So now it's in rain mode, it's changed to road mode. And also there is one more button here, this tick mark. If you click the tick mark, then the riding modes, bike display, trip status, this will be displayed. And let me also show you that when you go into the riding modes, you can see rain mode, road mode and reset to defaults. And let's go back, and now bike setup. On the bike setup, indicators, traction control and service, and trip setup, display setup. On the display setup you can see brightness, visual trace, that is trip 1, trip 2. So these are the status symbols that will be shown on the screen. And gear shift indicator, rider name, language, units, clock and date. So these are the things that you can access. And also this bike has one more option to install Bluetooth. So Bluetooth module can be purchased separately. So you can also get that and use like navigation system that. And one more beautiful thing that you can do is you can add a quick shifter as well. So for up and down systems, you can add a quick shifter to this, and the gear shifts will be very smooth. Without using clutch, you can actually shift the gears. And on the right side, you can see engine kill switch, engine start, hazard light. Here the buttons to control the information, indicators, riding mode button, horn, and no adjustable clutch lever, and you got adjustable brake. So this is adjustable brake lever but no clutch levers. So this is all about the main features that you get in this Triumph Trident 660. A dedicated ride review will be coming up next, so stay connected to my channel. And now let me show you the exhaust note. And these are the main features of all new Trident 660. And now let me tell you the on-road price. So the on-road is priced at rupees 8,90,000. So the price will be changed depending upon your current location. So if you want to know the exact price details, I'll drop the showroom details below, so you can contact them and even you can make bookings from there. So do wait for my ride review. So the dedicated ride review will be coming up soon. So once the bike is available for the ride, I will be putting up the full video. So stay connected to my channel, and I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And my each and every updates will be posted in my Instagram. So Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasuri. So keep following me. This is Ravikiran signing off.